Hello there. Welcome everyone to the brand new studio, Lafite 360, located in Long Island, Miller Place, 691 Route 25A, Miller Place 11764. Today I want to go over something very basic. I think the whole world knows that step is so-called the box step. So the box step is a simple step that actually goes forward, side and together, and side and together. So left foot forward, right side together, and right foot back, and then left foot together. Yeah. Now, however, in this very basic and very easy step to say, we have two very important components. Is the walks forward, the walks backward, and then the side step. So we're using two actions in that simple box step. It's walks forward, walks backward, and stepping side. So if you really approach it correctly, it doesn't matter which foot forward or which foot backward, it will have a walk forward. Then you're going to have a side step. Then you have a close and change in weight through the ball of the feet. And now you have a backward walk, a side step, and then closing. So simple enough, yeah? And once you're applying the actual actions, a walks and the steps, because Mr. Sir NBE, Danny Burns says, it's forward walks, backward walks, side steps. So it cannot be used the same action going to the side because it's a stepping action, it's not a walking action. So I hope that's helpful. So let's turn it slightly and let's see how is a walk proceed. So we have the forward walk approaching from the spine, like the whole world know about that. Like you walk on the street, you're walking, triggering the spine, and then you're walking forward. The only difference is we're going to step through the ball of the foot. So here is the spine and here is the walk. Yes? Now, this is the forward walk. Then we have the backward walk. The backward walk, many teachers says, foot first and then body. I would say move the body and make sure your foot is there before it. Because if we're saying foot and then body, then that doesn't apply really what's going on when you're really dancing it. But I would say that the body is there and then the foot is just sooner there than the actual spine and then arriving on it. Yeah? So now we're going over, again, the forward walk is the spine going, forward walk. Backward walk is the spine still proceeding, but the foot is there first to catch that walk and then to go. Now, in terms of the side steps, because it's not the side walks, yes? We have a little bit more extension of the foot and using the standing leg to get there and then closing, and then to the other side we have step and then arriving. So that's a little bit different, yeah, because the spine doesn't fall like for the step and then you do it this, because that will be side walk. You're actually placing the foot and then pushing through the standing leg and then arriving on it, and then it's the same thing going to the other side. Make sense? So now box step is not that easy anymore. So it's becoming a little bit more complex thanks to knowing what to do in a box step. So you have a walk forward. I'll turn slightly diagonal so you can see. You have a walk forward. Notice again how we trigger the spine and then we catch. Now we have the side step using the standing leg, closing through the ball of the feet. You already know why, because it's through the ball of the feet. Now for the backward walk, we're going to make sure the foot is there first. We're going to do the side step, push, closing right foot to left foot, changing through the ball of the foot, and changing. So now a box step become a lot more elegant because we know what to do. We know how to do forward walks, we know how to do backward walks, and we know now there is a difference on going to the side because it's the steps. Yeah? So I hope this was helpful. Let's try this one more time. So we're gonna have now a little bit more forward towards you. I also put in the camera a specific way in order for you to see it also in the back. But this is the better face of me. Don't look at the back. So here we go. You have a forward walk. You have a side step, pushing through. Make sure your foot is there before the body fly on it. Side step, pushing through, going, and down. Yeah? So, thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. Hope to see you there again. Subscribe for my channel if you like it. If you don't, still subscribe. I hope to see you soon. You have a good day. Bye-bye now.